There was a young woman named Siti, young at an early stage of life. She was 25 years old and from Indonesia, but she worked in Malaysia as an escort to send money back to her family. Indonesia, a country in Southeast Asia made up of thousands of islands. One day she met a producer who offered her a job on a YouTube prank show. Producer, someone who manages and organizes creative projects like shows or movies. He promised good pay, $96 per prank, pay, money given in exchange for work or services. Siti was excited because it meant she could stop doing escort work. Excited, feeling very happy and enthusiastic about something. Soon she started working for a man named Mr. Chang, who ran the YouTube channel. Channel, a platform or space for sharing videos or content. They would set up pranks where Siti would approach random strangers and do things like cover their eyes with her hands or smear oil on their faces. Pranks, playful tricks, or practical jokes. Siti did this for about a month, and during that time another woman named Dawn joined the prank team. Team, a group of people working together toward a common goal. One day Siti was asked to take part in a bigger prank at the airport. Airport, a place where airplanes take off and land. Mr. Chang explained that she and Dawn would prank the same man, one after the other. Explained, made something clear or easy to understand. First, Siti would run up to him, cover his eyes, and then Dawn would follow and do the same. Follow, to go after someone or something. Following the plan, Siti smeared what she thought was oil on the man's face, and Dawn did the same right after. Oil, a liquid used for cooking or lubrication. The two women giggled and ran to the bathroom to wash their hands. Giggled, laughed in a light, silly way. However, the man started feeling sick and reported it to airport security. Security, measures taken to ensure safety or protection. His condition worsened rapidly and he died on the way to the hospital. Hospital, a place where sick or injured people are treated. It turned out that the man they pranked was named Nam. Pranked, played a trick or joke on someone. He was the son of a former North Korean dictator and had been living abroad because his brother, Kim Jong-un, wanted him dead. Dictator, a ruler with absolute power and authority. Siti and Dawn unknowingly used deadly chemicals instead of regular oil. Deadly, able to cause death. When these chemicals combined, they created a lethal nerve agent which is banned worldwide. Banned, officially prohibited or not allowed. Mr. Chang and the other producers were actually North Korean spies, and they fled the country, leaving Siti and Dawn to face the consequences. Spies, people who secretly gather information about others. Both women were arrested, though Siti initially thought it was part of the prank. Arrested, taken into custody by the police. Their trial lasted 2 years, and they faced the death penalty if convicted. Penalty, a punishment for breaking a law or rule. Eventually, the Indonesian government intervened and secured Siti's release, allowing her to return home. Release, the act of setting someone free. Dawn was also freed later after,